Alright, so today I'm going to get started with putting some of the pieces together before I start doing some primer. And first thing I'm going to do is put these like radiator screens in right here, because everything on the inside of this plus these are supposed to be gloss aluminum. So I'll go ahead and get these in there. I can paint them all at once. Let that dry. Now, I am putting a front wing on this because this is going to be the Canadian Grand Prix winner. So, in order for me to do that, there's these little notches. I don't know if you can see them. They're kind of indented. You just kind of got to cut them out. So that's what I want to do. And obviously, if you weren't doing a wing on the front, you would leave those in there. But the Canadian Grand Prix was the only time this car won in '82, so at least with Nelson Piquet driving. So got that notched out, and it goes in just like that. I'm going to clean up that area a little bit first, but you know, you see where it goes. I'll do that in a little bit. I'll glue these two pieces together. This is the rear wing. And I'm going to primer this and paint it white, but it's going to get a full decal of blue over the whole thing. So it's probably kind of a waste, but you never know what you're going to see when the decal is on. So I figure I would just paint it white, and hopefully that'll take care of anything that's showing. Alright, let that set up. Okay. Go ahead and work on this. I did glue this piece here in already. It's basically just a tab for it to lock into the front of the bottom part of the chassis. It just, there's a little notch there, just locks right into the place there. So yeah, I think like that. test fit here. Yeah, it's gonna look good. All right, I think as far as gluing goes on the body parts, that's about all I'm going to do right now. So what I'm going to do is get it painted, or get it primed and painted. What I'll do, I'll just kind of go through what I plan on doing. So all this is going to be white. The underside is going to be aluminum. So I'm going to paint everything white, and then I'm going to paint the inside aluminum. And I'm going to tape this off so the aluminum doesn't come through the vents there. This is all going to be aluminum, I believe. There is some black section up here. This will be white. This will be semi-gloss black. White, 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 white. This is the same as this. White, semi-gloss black, white, 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 semi-gloss black, white on the sides, gloss aluminum in the inside there. So let me get rocking on some paint and I'll be right back. All right, so I got everything painted as far as bodywork goes. This is the underside. I got the whites on the sides, silver on the inside, and then, you know, the satin black on the bottom. Got the all white on the body. Did the black sections in the back, silver underneath. This is all silver with black on the inside, and then the black in the front. Got my side pods. They're black and white, and then silver on the back side. And then I got my two end plates. And then this white piece here that goes in the seat area. Also, I added the decals for the wing in the back, and they turned out really good so far. So letting all this stuff dry up, and then I'll put the side pieces on to the lower part of the body and get all that situated, and then I'll start working on the engine, which is it's gonna be pretty cool. I've already kind of cleaned up the parts and it looks pretty neat. So I'll be back next time. Thank you all for watching.